Okay, alright. Hi and welcome back to our educators. So for today, we are going to enter a new theme which is heat. Okay, in Bahasa Melayu, kita akan masuk tema baru. Oh, sorry. Which is haba lah. Okay. So haba ni atau heat ni, okay, actually I want to do this video in English lah. So sometimes akan ada Bahasa Melayu, so saya harap you just focus on my content. Okay, this chapter is such an important chapter because, okay, I go here. The name of the chapter, thermochemistry. Okay, because this chapter can be in your paper 1 for sure, paper 2 pun for sure, and also boleh juga jadi soalan paper 3 you. So this chapter boleh masuk dalam any 3 papers, and soalan amali SPM 2022 for paper 3 comes from this chapter, which is thermochemistry. The year before 2021 from redox. 2023 punya saya tak boleh bagi tahu. Sebab tu masih sulit lagi saya rasa. So tak apalah, sulit ke tak sulit itu masalah kedua. Just saya nak bagi tahu that kebanyakan eksperimen form 5 ini sesuai untuk dijadikan sebagai soalan amali. Faham tak? So pastikan you fokus juga pada soalan-soalan amali. Okay, this chapter starts with thermochemistry. Okay, so thermo means temperature, while chemistry is something about the bond and so on. Okay, so you will learn how does the temperature affect the bond, the formation of a new product, the formation of a reactor. How does the thing affects to the reactant, which will later converted to a reactant, and how does this thermochemistry was being applied by the scientists and by the engineers and all those things in our daily life. Basically, you are using thermochemistry everywhere, starting from perubatan itself, from medication itself. Di perubatan, we are using the thermometer, one type of thermochemistry. You punya ayah isi kereta minyak tu as a type of thermochemistry. Your mom cook at the kitchen also ada thermochemistry. So a lot of things involved in the thermochemistry. So basically, okay, let me to write. Okay, thermochemistry. Okay, so it involves temperature for sure, okay, and secondly it involves heat as well. Okay, so it's about temperature, heat, and how does these two things influence in product formation. Okay, and also how does these two things affect reactant. Okay, and this whole thing involves in your daily life. Okay, so I already told what are some of the daily life examples. Now, without any further ado, let us see the keywords of this chapter. Okay, we got endothermic reaction, energy level diagram, exothermic reaction, fuel value. Okay, fuel value is about petrol and so on lah. Okay, and heat of combustion. Okay, fine. I do mention that thermochemistry involves temperature and heat, so you can observe these two things, right, during your studying and doing any calculation of this chapter. Okay, so it's like this. We got heat, right? Okay, sorry, the line is not very stable, I guess. Okay, so we have heat, right? Padam sekali. Again, sorry. Okay, sorry for my mistake just now. Okay, so where do I stop just now? Heat, right? Okay, let's say we are talking about heat, right? Okay, heat, we got 4 type of heat sebenarnya. Okay, heat of displacement. Okay, next one is heat of combustion. Next one, heat of precipitation. Okay, precipitation. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of precipitate? Precipitate is mendakkan, you know. Kejap saya tunjukkan you. Displacement, combustion, and the most famous one yang aku selalu lupa. Heat of neutralization. Alright. Okay, sekarang smooth sikit my device. Okay. So basically, precipitation is comes from the word precipitate. Okay, if let's say lah. Okay, saya lukis lah kat sini Where is the good colour? Okay, tak apalah. I choose this one. Okay. Let's say I have one container. Okay, comel je container saya. Okay, I masukkan two type of what do you call that? Solution. Okay, then I found like there is something kat sini macam ada something termendak. So this is what we call as precipitate. Okay. Or in bahasa Melayu, this is what we call as mendakan. Okay. So ini nama benda ala itu. And next one. Okay. Tu benda pertama about precipitation. Oops, where is my oops? Just off and off. Okay, it's about precipitation. Okay, displacement. Okay, this displacement is something about you learn on redox. Faham tak? Try to tengok what is displacement in redox. Okay, it's about metal displacement. Okay, combustion is the very famous combustion and neutralization. Okay, these two is very famous in SPM. Okay, even the neutralization pernah jadi soalan SPM. Kan saya mention kan ada soalan SPM for paper 3 kan. So paper 3 itu melibatkan this neutralization and we are very shocked on that sebab tak expect sampai neutralization boleh masuk. Tapi memang sangat logik eksperimen tu boleh dilaksanakan dalam masa yang singkat. Okay, tu a few introduction lah. Okay, lagi satu for all this stuff. Okay, sorry. For all this stuff, we do have a symbol like this. This is called temperature change symbol. Okay, temperature change symbol. So delta lah nama comel dia. Okay, so tu benda ke 3 saya rasa dalam video ini. Alright, okay, dah tahu pasal heat, dah tahu pasal temperature, you know everything about this. Ada lagi benda you kena tahu. Okay, jap, I find my textbook first. Okay, in my textbook. Alright, so I do explain already about this 4 thing. Okay, heat of reaction is harbor untuk tindak balas. Okay, harbor untuk tindak balas ini just a direct translation. But how does it works? How does it looks like? Kita akan tengok when kita belajar this chapter lagi detail. Okay, next one is thermochemical equation. Okay, thermochemical equation ini is involves about your jap. Kenapa warna saya pilih ni macam tak berapa? Okay, I choose this color. It involves your chemical equation. Ingat tak normal chemical equation yang you buat tu? Yang tu and also your ionic equation. Ionic equation. Persamaan ion. So you kena matap dalam dua benda ini baru dia akan buat thermochemical equation. Tapi basically nak cerita dengan mudah kan. Thermochemical equation ni you punya chemical equation je. You punya chemical equation. Tapi side ni dia akan letak delta H sama dengan positif atau negatif something kilojoule per mole. Tu je, dia akan letak ni je. Ada benda ala ni dengan you punya normal chemical equation, it is what we call as thermochemical equation. Tapi you can ask me, ala dari mana datang pula ionic equation? You will know about it when you learn heat of neutralization. Okay, so dah settle. Okay, dah settle untuk early page ni. Early page ni pun lama saya duk membebel sebab ramai lagi tak faham konsep dia. Okay, so saya padam ni semua. Okay, buku teks kena cantik sikit. Okay, and this is what you're going to learn. Okay, wait, I take purple color. Okay, these 3 things ini I rasa lebih kurang I akan buat dalam 12 video sebab banyak saya nak cover, especially for this heat of reaction ini. Sebab this heat of reaction is what? Heat of combustion. Yang empat-empat tu, the 4 pairs tu empat-empat tu under this one. Faham tak? Heat of precipitation, heat of neutralization, all those stuff ni under this heat of reaction. Okay, kenapa Do you see the last word? Combustion, displacement, neutralization, precipitation. All these are process. So this process is something about releasing or absorbing heat. Understand? And this is what the heat that release, nama dia is heat of something. Tapi generally itu adalah heat of reaction. Faham tak? Okay. Contoh mudah lah kan. Nama you Abu. Okay. Tapi you anak Pak Salim. Faham tak? Okay. So you daripada anak Pak Salim. So Pak Salim tu his heat of reaction. He is the main. Bawah dia tu ada you. Lepas tu mungkin you ada adik. So semua tu bawah dia. Kira ini macam bapak. And dia punya anak tu lah this heat of combustion, precipitation, neutralization, displacement, all these 4 things. So saya dah settlekan kat you apa maksud heat of reaction in this part. Okay. This 3.2 ini boleh menjadi soalan essay atau masuk dalam bahagian B atau A dalam paper 2U. So saya sangat-sangat risau dengan this topic. Sebab this topic sangat mudah tapi sangat senang untuk buat careless. So I want you to pay attention in this what you will learn. So saya dah explain semua term ini. Okay, fuel value ini saya kata pasal petrol kan. Okay, mungkin you punya exam question usually lah dia akan bagi dua satu petrol, satu maybe gas hydrogen. Dia akan suruh cari dia punya fuel value. Dia akan tanya which one is can be used as a replacement for petrol in future, something like that soalan dia. Okay, pasal the endothermic reaction, exothermic reaction, dia boleh soalan yang pertama minta you define, minta you state one characteristics. Boleh je. Okay, energy level diagram is something that we are going to draw like this. Okay, nampak tak? Sekejap. Saya pilih warna yang lain comel sikit lah. Okay, this colour je lah yang dekat. Okay, something I will lukis like this. And then macam ni ke? Something that turun macam tu lah. Okay, dia adalah lukisan dia. Okay, lukisan dia memang ada. I will show to you. Okay, wait. And this bulletin boleh baca, boleh jadi soalan paper 1. Siapa tahu silap-silap ada maklumat from this one jadi soalan paper 1. Jangan keluar kata tak tahu. Okay, wait, I show you. This is energy level diagram. Okay, I would call this gambar raja turun tangga, gambar raja naik tangga. This is how my teacher told to me lah. Okay, saja je. Okay, and just now I told you about thermochemistry equation. Kali ni dah thermochemistry equation. Your normal chemistry equation dia letak suhu kat belakang ni. That's why dia jadi thermochemistry equation. Okay, itu another one thing lah. Saya kena terang untuk you. Dan lagi satu benda, in the next video saya akan terang pasal this exothermic reaction. And I want to discuss a bit pasal this experiment. Dan another one video baru saya akan terang pasal this energy level diagram sahaja with a few questions. And then baru kita akan masuk energy change. Okay, this is what we call as energy profile diagram. Ini energy profile. Energy profile. Okay, while this one is energy level. Nampak tak level? Kena tahu beza tau, because energy level diagram, wait I write here. Energy level diagram is not same with, tak sama dengan energy profile diagram. It's two different things. Okay, two different things, very different. Tapi usually in SPM kita selalu jumpa energy level lah. Every year macam soalan energy level ni, lukis energy level ni akan ada. Okay, and then bagi yang dah belajar this subtopic, I want you to buat this self-assessment 3.1. I will give the answers later. Okay, so saya rasa video ni saya kuat membebel sahaja pasal the introduction of this topic. Just bagi a general view sahaja pasal this topic. So saya harap you dengar dulu saya punya bebel tu. And in the next video, I will start to discuss this 3.1 heat change in reactions. Okay, but do remember, for my tuition students, I won't repeat what I teach you in the class. In class we will do extra questions sahaja, exam based question. Saya explain kat sini kiranya macam saya dah explain physically lah. Okay, so saya harap you tengok this video, you fahamkan, you buat nota, and video untuk chapter ni akan banyak, memang akan banyak. So pastikan you tengok part by part supaya lagi faham. Okay, so that's all from me. See you, bye bye.